Hello everyone. My name is Mr. Caleb Helmut. I'll be taking you. Our topic of today, we'll be talking about concepts of ecology. As you can see, we'll start by defining ecology. Hmm. Ecology, this is the interdependence between living organisms and the environment. Hmm. Ecology encompasses the study of life in all intricate forms and its interaction with the surrounding environment. Hmm. As we dig into the concepts of ecology, this guides us through the fundamental ideas that shape the intricate web of life. Mhm, mhm. The levels of level of organization. The level of organization refers to the levels of organization in ecology is are hierarchical frameworks that helps us understand the relationships between individual organisms and the environment. And it starts from the smallest individual organism to the entire biosphere. This is a way of understanding how living organisms interact and form increasingly complex systems within the environment. Mm. Here is an example of the level of the hierarchical structure. We'll start from the smallest unit, which is an individual, which is a single organism of particular species, followed by population, which is a group of individuals of the same species living in a defined area at a particular time. The community. Community it's an intricate population. It's an interacting population of different species within a defined space. Hmm. The ecosystem. The ecosystem is a dynamic system formed from the interaction of living organisms with the environment, hmm, which include the biotic factors and the abiotic factors of the environment. The biosphere, this is the global ecosystem encompassing all living organisms uh, and the abiotic factors they interact with. Mm. We then dive into the principles of ecology. As you can see, ecology is guided by a set of principles. Is guided by a set of principles. Hmm? Sorry, it is guided by a set of fundamental principles that provide a framework to understand the intricate web of life. They include interdependence. As you can see, all living organisms are interconnected and rely on each other for survival. These include not only predator or predator-prey relationship, but also mutualistic partnership, like bees pollinating flowers. Mm. The next, the next principle is adaptation. This is where organisms develop traits to enhance their survival through adaptation. Mm. Through adaptation, they evolve and develop these traits that allow them to survive in an environment. Mm. Homeostasis. Homeostasis is where simply means achieving a state of equilibrium. This is where the ecosystems strive to maintain a state of equilibrium or balance within the environment. This includes regulating temperature, moisture, and nutrient levels. When disturbances occur, such as forest fire or a flood, ecosystems have the ability to recover and return to the state of balance over time. Mm. Nutrient cycle. Nutrient cycling as another principle of ecology. Mm, This include essential elements like nitrogen, carbon, phosphorus. Mm, They are limited in mm, they are essential in life, but they are not limited in quantity. Ecosystem recycle these nutrients through biogeochemical cycles, ensuring their availability for all organisms. This ensures that they are not lost. They are not lost and are they are cycled in a continuous loop. Mm. Energy flow. Energy flow. Energy flow. Energy flows through ecosystems in one direction, starting with the sun as the primary source. Plants capture sunlight through photosynthesis and convert it to chemical energy, which is then passed through the food web to herbivores, predators, and decomposers. Mm. That will be the end of the principles of ecology. Mm. There are other examples of principles of ecology, but we won't cover them for now. Uh, we might just name them. Uh, some of them include human impact, limits to growth, etc. Oh, diversity too is one of them, where diversity of species is essential for a healthy ecosystem. Each species play a unique role in the system, and the more diverse the community, the more resilient it is to disturbances and change. Mm. We're now going to our next subtopic will be the branches of ecology. There are many branches of ecology, but we will go through a few of them, starting from community ecology, which focuses on the interaction between living organisms and the environment. Mm. Population ecology focuses on the study of populations of organisms and their interactions with one another and the environment. Evolutionary ecology. This is a type of, this is a subdisciplinary of ecology which focuses on the evolutionary process that shape the interactions between organisms and the environment. Conservation ecology. This focuses on the protection, preservation, and management of ecosystems and the species within them. Microbial ecology is the study of microorganisms, their relationship with one another, and the interactions with the environment. Mm. Mm. We'll then be going to the biotic and abiotic factors of the environment. We'll start with the biotic factors, which include all living things within an ecosystem. They range from, or just list them, plants, animals, microorganisms, and decomposers. This will conclude our lesson for today. And as an assignment, you should go and explain about the biotic factors and how they affect the environment. And also you can read on your own time other branches of ecology. Thank you.